Looking to spice up your dinner routine while keeping it healthy? Unique recipes can transform ordinary meals into an extraordinary feast for your senses. Let's explore some delightful options that are not only good for you, but also tantalizing to your taste buds. Start with a vibrant quinoa stuffed bell peppers dish. Hollow out colorful bell peppers and fill them with a mixture of cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, and spices. Bake in a preheated oven until the peppers are tender yet vibrant. The result is a hearty and nutritious meal, packed with protein and bursting with flavors that will satisfy any craving. Another unique option is grilled zucchini noodles with pesto and cherry tomatoes. Spiralize fresh zucchini to create noodles that are both light and fulfilling. Toss them with homemade basil pesto and add halved cherry tomatoes for a fresh pop of acidity. Grill or sauté just until the noodles are slightly softened, then top with toasted pine nuts for an irresistible crunch. This dish is not only stretchy and fun to eat, but also low in carbs, perfect for a guilt-free indulgence. Consider also trying a coconut curry chickpea stew. Start by sautéing onions and garlic in a pot until fragrant. Then add chickpeas, diced sweet potatoes, coconut milk, and your favorite curry spices. Let it simmer until the sweet potatoes are soft and creamy. This stew is comforting yet exotic, inviting you to savor each warm, rich spoonful while filling you with wholesome nutrients. For a satisfying protein option, prepare a baked salmon with avocado salsa. Season salmon fillets with lemon juice, garlic, and herbs, then bake until flaky. Top with a fresh avocado salsa made of diced avocados, red onion, cilantro, and lime juice. The creamy avocado complements the savory salmon beautifully, offering a mouth-watering taste combination that is sure to impress. Finally, whip up a flight of flavors with an Asian-inspired cabbage salad. Shred cabbage with carrots and red bell peppers. Then toss with a light sesame ginger dressing. Add grilled chicken or tofu for protein, and sprinkle with sesame seeds for an added texture. This bright and crunchy salad keeps dinner light while ensuring you don't skimp on flavor. These unique recipes offer health-conscious dining solutions that excite. Experimenting with these unique, healthy dinner recipes will not only broaden your culinary horizons, but will also keep your meals vibrant and nutritious.